and down in this hole I've got something. Looks, perhaps it's not off a clock, is it? I'm not sure what that's off. Looks pretty old though. Alright, if you look here on this gum, I reckon that could be possibly from a Aboriginal removing a shield or something like that, and it's grown that way over time. Anyway, at the base of this big old gum, got a signal in here. Alright, it's in that all of it. Nice soft soil under the gum tree here. A bit further over. Still in the hole. Oops. Ah, there it is. What is it? Whoa! Look at that! Oh my god! It looks like it's just come from the shop. Oh my goodness! That's because it's been well preserved by the bark and the soft soil around this old gum tree. Excellent. Okay, I'm still under my favourite gum tree, and I'm digging everything. I've got a 14 in here on the Equinox. It's out. Oh, what is that? It's tiny. Ah, little pendant. Might be a little religious pendant. I'll have to clean that off a bit. Here we go in the see the ash, and there's like bits of bone and stuff in the trash heap, but there's also buckles. Oh. Looks like it's been in the fire, that of course. Little wreath buckle. They definitely left a few relics behind, because this is the third buckle I've found. I'll clean that up, but that one looks like a woman's sash buckle or something. A bit more decorative. Very good. Again, I'm just next to the old gum tree here, another signal in here. About to Oh, I don't believe it. I do not believe it. 2 buckles under the one tree, and this is a cricket buckle, and it's an absolute ripper. 2 cricket players on there. Oh, I can't believe it. That is super. Quite often you get them and they're all bent in half, like I just dug one earlier. It was incomplete, but folded into many pieces, and it's hard to get one that's undamaged, so that's brilliant.